read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sagita Mariam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well and teaching happily and excitedly. Our today's lesson is about uppercase and lowercase letter W. Expected learning outcomes are: the student is expected to identify the uppercase and lowercase letter W. Learn the words that start with the sound V. Learn the formation of letter W, uppercase and lowercase. Before starting the lecture, interact with the students, attach with them emotionally, ask different questions about letter W, its formation, its sound, about watermelon, about water. Do you like to drink water, cold or hot? Who likes to eat watermelon? When does it come? It comes in summer. I will tell you. Okay? So, let's start. After visualizing the flashcards, after asking different questions about these words, let's start how to teach its formation, sound and vocabulary words. Start from the first line, come straight down, go slant up, come slant down, go straight up. It will make capital W. Start from second line, come straight down, go slant up. Come slant down and go straight up. It will make small W, capital W, small w. The sound of W is whale. Oh, whale is swimming in the water. Oh my God, water is very deep. Windmill. Watermelon. Water. Well. Wait patiently. Okay, always wait patiently for your turn. Don't push each other. Okay, after that, story time. I hope so. You learned how you have to teach, interact in the classroom to the students. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.